Welcome to Excel Made Easy. In this video, we will learn how to sum items in Excel. Click on the subscribe and bell buttons below to get the latest video from Excel Made Easy. Luis needs to calculate the total sales value in the report. It is taking too much time to add up one by one, and it is frustrating when he made errors too. What is the fastest way to sum it up? The solution is sum formula. Just type equals sum followed by the cells to add. Let's see how it is done. Simply type the formula equals sum, open bracket, and then select the cells to add up followed by closing bracket. Voila! You've got the answer. The solution is easy, fast and accurate. Just 2 steps only. Step 1 is to identify the areas to sum. Step 2 is to type the formula. Simply start with the equals sum and then select the area you want to sum up. It is that simple. Thanks for watching. Give me a like if you like this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe and bell buttons below to get the easy and fast tips from Excel Made Easy.